Hello everyone. Today's date is Tuesday, January 14, 2020. This is Rick Sadler, and I've got a chart follow-up I would like to go over tonight. Actually, two charts. We'll be looking at VG, and we'll be looking at CGC as well. Okay, so VG on January 6th, right here on this candle, we posted a video here on YouTube. You can go back and look at the video if you like, and we posted that, and you can see today it really took off. We bought this the very next day over here on January 7th, held it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. It held above our red-green line. The red-green line, by the way, is showing a downtrend. See the red dots there? Showing a downtrend. And then here you can see the green dots take over when price action gets in a bullish type run. So like I said, we purchased this over here. We sat in it for a few days. It held just fine. And then today it really popped up here. So you know, the stock is up 8% in one day. The chances of some consolidation are pretty good. Right now, after hours, it's sitting here. Let's make a little adjustment. There we go. We're sitting here about where it closed, maybe a little bit where it closed today, and a lot of things can change overnight. Still holding it, willing to accept a little pullback down to support. We'll put a line about right here at 790. I'm still looking for it to run up to 890-ish, somewhere in this 890-ish area. Not doing too bad here. So we'll watch for that little consolidation. There's a chance I add to it. Can't guarantee that at this point. And then we'll see if it doesn't rise up. So far, a pretty nice chart. Hey, I want to remind everyone too that if you like the charts and the videos here, you'll see a little box. It should be right there. And if you click on that little red box, subscribe to us. And if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. Just give us a thumbs up. Sure would appreciate it. Leave a message if you like. I do my very best to get to them and answer them all. So don't be bashful about leaving messages and questions. And then also, maybe what you'd like to see on future videos. All right, let's take a look at CGC. Now, this was we did a video on this back on December 31. That would have been this candle right there. Did that video. And we also bought this one the very next day after, let's see here, there we go. We bought that the very next day down here, knowing that our stop would be about in here. You can see how it just consolidated, started that slow rise up, dots are green, everything's working. It popped up yesterday. Now, we did close half of it yesterday, and we closed the second half today because it met our plan. It did exactly what we wanted it to do. We closed that out. So now what we would be doing is looking for some consolidation. Let that consolidation come wherever it will. We can't, certainly at this point, we don't know where that's going to happen. And then there may be support about in there. Might use that low of that candle. We'll watch for that rest, if there's going to be a rest, and then we'll wait for that buy signal to come in there, the candlesticks that give us the price action that makes us feel like we want to be in that, and we'll look at that for a trade. This is a rounded bottom breakout. Both this one and VG is a rounded bottom breakout. These are my most favorite strategies of all time. They're just really, really good. Okay, again, if you like the videos, please come down in here and click on that little button there, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you like. I sure appreciate it. We'd really like to hear from you, so please do leave comments, and I will do my very best to get it answered for you. Thank you very much, and everyone have a wonderful, wonderful trading week.